Kaunti ya Nairobi na mashirika ya makanisa sasa yamefanya makubaliano ya pamoja ili kuhakikisha kwamba makanisa yanafuata sheria ya kudhibiti viwango vya sauti wakati wa ibada. Akizungumza mjini Nairobi, afisa mkuu wa mazingira kaunti ya Nairobi Geoffrey Mosiria amesisitiza kuwa kama kaunti wataendelea kupambana na maeneo ya burudani yanayokiuka sheria na kuhakikisha sheria imefuatwa inavyostahili.
There's a time we were concerned about the city officials coming to churches and saying we should stop caches, and maybe because some of our members were making an extra noise that could disturb our neighbors. And we want a better city, a clean city, organized city, and a city without pollution. And therefore, that's why we are here today as umbrella bodies, and therefore we really thank God for our officer here. He has assured us he will not arrest any pastor. And he will not close any church. Amen. And he will not take any speakers. Amen. There will be a discussion going forward.
We have visited the area, we have ascertained the complaint, we have assessed, and again, we have involved the community and the church to tell them that they have to regulate the noise that is coming from their houses of worship. To the areas of entertainment, which are in residential area, that's illegal. They are not allowed to operate there. And we have also arrested those who are causing noise pollution and taken them to court.
Ipo haja ya serikali na